Hello traders, today I am going to start a market update video. So I am in the BTC chart. So you can see a BTC is going the in the parallel channel. So you can see this parallel channel breakout, and now you can see market is retest. So BTC in the support area now. So BTC market can be reached the 100k level. Why I am telling that? Because there is a this area has a imbalance area. So not only that, there is a resistance area, and this parallel channel, the upper level is going 100k level, and there is a huge psychological area. Therefore I predict market can be reached the 100k level. So next we are in the Ethereum chart. So you can see uh, another parallel channel same to BTC chart. So market is going in the parallel channel. So I mark this area in the orange circle, and if this candle uh, be a bullish Marubosu candle, we can consider the another long position in Ethereum chart. So you can see a parallel channel, and that parallel channel breakout, and you can see market is retest now, and there is a support area, and market is going the another parallel channel. Therefore we can consider the another long position. That are the our confirmations. So next we are in the XRP chart. So market is in the uh, falling wedge breakout, and market can be market in the minor support area. You can see there is a minor support. There is a minor support area. So therefore market can be uh, going upward move this minor support area, because this minor support area. So next we are in the Solana chart. So Solana has a bullish bull flag, and but we can consider this bullish engulfing bearish engulfing candlestick pattern this level has, uh, but there is a not confirmed bull flag. Therefore market can be going upward move. So now we are in the Cardano chart. So you can see Cardano has a falling wedge pattern, and now wedge pattern breakout and retest. Cardano chart has a minor support area. You can see this area has a minor support. So uh, therefore market can be going upward move tomorrow. So next we are in the link chart, but same to Cardano, link has a minor support. So Sui chart. So market market break this resistance area, and but not confirmed this breakout. Why I am telling that not confirmed? This breakout candle after this breakout candle, create a new bullish candle, break in this wick, break the candle body this wick. That is the confirm breakout. So I am in the AVAX USDT chart. So AVAX couldn't this break this resistance. So therefore market can be reached this support area. So next we are in the Litecoin chart. So we have not trading opportunity on unique chart. So that is only our trading opportunity. If create if we'll create the trading opportunity, I I published another video for you. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. So comment below. Thank you.